Good morning, guys. This is the current affairs session for 13 October 2019. And today is Sunday, so we all eagerly wait for this day. So let's start today's current affairs. First, Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Prakash Javadekar, flagged off a vehicle christened Jal Doot to spread the message of water conservation. He said that Jal Doot, a traveling exhibition arranged by Pune-based Regional Outreach Bureau of Information and Broadcasting Ministry, will tour 8 districts of Maharashtra in the next 2 months. So Jal Doot is a vehicle flagged off by Prakash Javadekar, who is the Union Minister of INV. And why? Because to spread the message of water conservation. Next, Prime Minister Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping meet at Mamallapuram in Tamil Nadu for their second informal summit, and he gives hand-woven silk portrait to Jinping. Well, hand-woven silk portrait to Xi Jinping. So do remember the place, that is Mamallapuram in Tamil Nadu, and this is the second informal summit, and the hand-woven silk portrait given by Prime Minister Modi ji to Xi Jinping. Next, West Bengal government to set up Kanyashree University. What is that? Kanyashree University in Nadia district to empower girls. And also Kanyashree College will be open throughout the state for this same goal, that is for empowering the girls. And Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, on the occasion of International Girl Child Day, stated that government started this Kanyashree scheme in order to empower girls. Now I am asking a question: when the International Girl Child Day is celebrated? Do comment your answer. Okay. Next, one static GK as always. So today's GK is: what is the highest peak of Satpura range? Satpura range highest peak is what? Okay. So that is Dhupgarh, and this is in Pasmari, Madhya Pradesh. Clear? Next, the Vice President of India, M. Venkaiah Naidu, has conferred with Comoros' highest civilian honor, and that honor is the Order of the Green Crescent. Do remember this name, the Order of the Green Crescent, on 12 October 2019, and he was given this honor by Comoros President Azali Assoumani. Clear? So Comoros' highest civilian honors name is the Order of the Green Crescent, and has been conferred to Vice President of India, that is M. Venkaiah Naidu, and by whom? The President of Comoros, that is Azali Assoumani. And where is Comoros? Comoros is an island country in the Indian Ocean, located at the northern end of Mozambique Channel of the eastern coast of Africa, between northeastern Mozambique, the French region of Mayotte, and northwestern Madagascar. So after all, it is in the Indian Ocean and is in Africa. Then the capital and largest city of Comoros is Moroni. Clear? Next, Visa, MasterCard reject Facebook's Libra digital currency plan. So you all know that Facebook's newest digital currency is Libra, and that is being rejected by Visa and MasterCard. And Facebook cryptocurrency Libra is facing criticism since it was launched. Okay. Next, Eliud Kipchoge creates history by finishing a marathon under 2 hours. And he is a Kenyan long distance runner. So Eliud Kipchoge, that is who is from Kenyan long distance runner, creates history by finishing a marathon under 2 hours. And you know where is Kenya? Kenya, officially known as Republic of Kenya is a country in Africa with 47 semi-autonomous countries governed by elected governors. So do remember the name of the runner, that is Eliud Kipchoge, and why he became famous by creating history by finishing the marathon under 2 hours. Next, Bru refugee families start returning to Mizoram from Tripura. Bru refugee, and you know Bru, the Bru, and also they are known as Riangs, R-E-N-G-S. Riangs are the second most populous tribe of Tripura after the Tripuris. They start returning to Mizoram from Tripura. Next, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, that is NASA, just launched a satellite icon to detect the dynamic zones of Earth's ionosphere. Satellite name is Icon. Why? To detect dynamic zones of Earth's ionosphere. Who launched it? NASA. And at the same time, it has to find the link between space and Earth's weather, and this was actually started with a delay of 2 years. Now, where is NASA's headquarters situated? NASA's headquarters is at Washington, D.C., United States, and it was founded on 29 July 1958, United States. So, clear about NASA? Now, about ionosphere. So, ionosphere is defined as the layer of Earth's atmosphere that is ionized by solar and cosmic radiation. Ionized by solar and cosmic radiation. And it lies 75 to 1000 kilometers. That is 46 to 621 miles above the Earth. You know the Earth's radius is 6370 kilometers. Remember this, Earth's radius is 6370 kilometers. And the thickness of the ionosphere is quite teeny compared with the size of Earth. Now let's see this figure. These are the layers of atmosphere, very important for any competitive exam point of view, either it is NET or it is your UPSC, State PSC, or any exam. You will find a question frequently asking from these layers of atmosphere. So what are they? Starting with troposphere, the range is 7 to 16 kilometers. Then we have stratosphere, that is up to 50 kilometers. Then we have mesosphere, that is up to 80 kilometers. Then we have thermosphere, that is up to 500 kilometers. So troposphere 7 to 16 kilometers, stratosphere 50 kilometers, mesosphere 80 kilometers, and thermosphere 500 kilometers. And one most important question is that ozone is found in stratosphere. So ozone is found in stratosphere, and ionosphere. The news is about ionosphere. So ionosphere is from mesosphere to thermosphere. Clear? So guys, if you like this current affairs session and if you think this is really helping you preparing towards the competitive examination, then do subscribe to my channel and of course share with your friends, and do like it if you really like this video. Well, okay, next. 9th one. 8 Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, that is RCEP. Ministerial meeting is being held in Bangkok. Well, this RCEP, that is Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, is a trade deal that is currently under negotiation among 16 countries. The 10 member countries of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, that is ASEAN, and 6 countries with which ASEAN bloc has free trade agreements, that is FTA. So RCEP, Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, is a deal among 16 countries, 10 from ASEAN and 6 with FTA. Now ASEAN includes Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. Come on, repeat with me. You need to at least repeat 3 times to remember the names of the countries falling under ASEAN, and that is very important for competitive exam points of view. Sometimes ask that which among the following countries not under ASEAN. So repeat: Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam. Okay, once again: Vietnam, Thailand, Singapore, Philippines, Myanmar, Malaysia, Laos, Indonesia, Cambodia, Brunei. Clear? Now they has FTAs with India, Australia, China, South Korea, Japan, and New Zealand. Clear? Now, as it is RCEP is being held in Bangkok. So Bangkok is the Thailand's capital and is known for ornate shrines and vibrant street life. And today's last current affair is: Vice President appeals to world community to ensure early conclusion of UN Comprehensive Convention on International Terrorism. UN Comprehensive Convention on International Terrorism. Well, what is that? The Comprehensive Convention on International Terrorism is a proposed treaty which intends to criminalize all forms of international terrorism and deny terrorists and their financiers and supporters access to funds, arms, and safe havens. So our Vice President appeals to world community to ensure early conclusion of UN Comprehensive Convention on International Terrorism. So guys, these are the most important current affairs that I have selected for today's session. Now I am coming to today's question from the last class. So today's question is: Center launches Surakshit Matritwa Ashwasan, that is Suman, initiative aimed at assuring which of the following? Means Suman is aimed for what purpose? So first option, free food for every pregnant woman. Second option, free health care for every woman and newborn. Third option, free traveling in train for every pregnant woman. And last option, none of the above. So comment your answer and we'll of course meet tomorrow. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye.